Hi everyone, welcome back to the Rocketeer. Rocketry is a fun sport. It's great for families, for interacting with other people, for students. It's good for the community. It's just a lot of fun and it gives you a sense of belonging, and the best way to learn rocketry is from a mentor. So there's a lot of sharing going on and a lot of great ideas get passed around. I love a good mid-power launch like this 3D printed rocketry here, or maybe a spin jet. These are a lot of fun to fly, or an odd rock like this Geostorm here. Yeah, this one's real fun. But when it comes time to the big rockets for high power launches, it's time to get the cameras out. And that's what I want to talk about today. I put titanium, see the little gray specks in the fuel there? This is sorbitol rocket fuel or sugar rocket fuel. I put titanium in the fuel and it makes fantastic sparkies. They're always a crowd pleaser, they're a lot of fun, and to top it off, they're even better in slow motion. So check out these slow motion shots by Mark from Balsa Engineering. I think you're going to like it. I have several launches of my sugar titanium sparky motors. Then after that, I have a whole reel that Mark did of our Team 1 launch, all in slow motion. Enjoy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What is going on?
Oh. Four, three, two, one.
If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you use that like and subscribe buttons at the bottom. If you really liked it and you want to buy me some more titanium, use that buy me a coffee or the YouTube like button will help support the channel. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you soon.